Okay guys, ayan. Ang huli, mga uwi ng letra o dahil parang nakita ko na. Gothic, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Roman, kapal na bahagi ng letra, ito ay ginagamit kayawig sa mga sulating magabay sa letra sa paggamit ng mga linya. Ito ay ano pala? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Pack, bluff, pack, bluff, pack. C, B, A, D, E, A. Text into ang lamang may pinag-eskripto at diploma. Roman, text, Gothic, script. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Ito naman, A, straight line, B, straight line, C, straight line, D, 8, straight line, E, straight line, F, straight line, G, straight line, H, straight line, I, straight line, K, straight line, K, straight line, M, N, straight line, O, straight line, P, straight line, R, straight line, S, straight line, T, straight line, U, straight line, B, straight line, W, straight line, X, straight line, Y, straight line, and Z, straight line. Okay guys. Ayan, napit pagbago sa akin. Naku pa. Sexual and reproductive health rights, EHR, refer to the right of individual to have control ever and make informed decision of reproductive health without facing discussion or solution violence. These rights encompass a range of environmental contraception, maternal care safe. Okay na, ayoko na. English naman guys. Warm. Degree of heat this coat can keep you warm in winter. Showing affection or kindness or warm smile made me feel better. The Adone stupid chicken, Adone stupid use in whole meat and plain eggs. Someone who enters cheerful or cuddly. My grandfather raised chicken in farm. The teens worked the chicken hide the haunted house. A fairly temperature can with drinking tea at the balcony. Comes and composture. She can cool despite noise. And natural session, ito ay dami na. Upang maging masaya ang hanggang distrito 5. Wala lang sa ulipan. Kailangan niya ulit bumabalik ang buong lakas. Water is made of oxygen and hydrogen. There is one oxygen atom and two hydrogen atoms in a molecule of water and promise to the water house never no playing water. I promise to the water no float again. Water is made of oxygen hydrogen. Fill out the table below. Write what you think you already know about. Short bond paper. Chinese. Binigyan ko yung sarili ko para mabasa ko lang. The Calvary begins with the discussion on how describes rules used generated simple patterns. Then the properties of addition and multiplication are covered. The aim of completing number sentence representing these properties. The succeeding lesson guide the learners to visualize decimal numbers by using models to show their relationship to fractions. Learners are also guided how to name fractions to and vice versa, and how to read and write decimal is ups up to hundreds. Additionally, will identify the place values and values of the decimal parts, as well name the digit with G these values. Other skills developed within this chapter we compare decimals and then comparing the order to the nearest tenth. The rules to the using number to illustrate by plotting the numbers on the number line for visualization. Ito naman sa AP. Ang kamamayan batay sa dugo ng magulang, mahalaga kung sino ang magulang. Kahit sa ibang bansa'y ginagamit sa Pilipinas. Ang pagkamamayan ay batay sa lugar na pinanganak. Mahalaga kung saan na pinanganak. Kahit dayuhang pwedeng magulang yan. Ginagamit sa mga magulang ng bata. Use sanguinis, usually naturalizado. Use naturalizado. Okay guys, last na to. Ito na lang babasahin ko, hindi mo na to. Sumasakit ko na muna to eh. Hindi din na just mag-edit sila. Nang huwag kang pagsamba sa Diyos Diyos. Manalangin. Ay, hindi, nakalimutan ko. Nakalimutan ako dito. Manalangin ka kung araw ng linggo. Dalangin mo ang iyong amatian. Huwag kang papatay. Huwag kang makikipagod sa hindi mo. Huwag kang magnanakaw. Huwag kang magbibintang at huwag kang magsisinungaling. Huwag kang magnanasa sa hindi mo awit. Huwag kang magnanasa sa hindi mo asawa. O diba? 7 minutes lang yun guys. Thank you guys. So kung nagustuhan niyo po itong reviewer ko, please like and share. Comment down below. Now, thank you sa record ko din kanina guys.